Welcome back to our channel. Firstly, I am sharing what material I will using in this illustration. This micron pen, this metallic pen, these Staedtler's pencil color, and this Camel artist watercolor cake, and this fiber castle sketch pens. So guys, we will begin with the skin rendering. Here, since we are using poster color, I shall try to do this skin tone with the poster color itself. So here I have mixed little bit of the white of the bone sienna shade. Now we are using very limited color guys, so you can also manipulate your shade. You can mix it little white of undertone and like a yellow undertone or reddish undertone to your base color. Like I have chosen the burnt sienna again, and watercolor also burnt sienna can be a very nice color for doing your skin tone. And here initially I was struggling a bit to do this nice blending of the skin, but I understood how the poster color works. It little bit thicker and you need to blend it well with the watercolor, so I was trying to do my best. And guys, I always use 150 GSM to 400 GSM paper because color rendering works better on it, because when we use watercolor or any good sketch pen on it, so its results very good. So I will always tell you that whenever you do drawing to make these types of illustration, you should always use paper over 150 GSM. Guys, I will first show you that rough pattern and design, which pattern and shape I am going to use in this outfit and it what ways. This is Hexagon Shape, which I have inspired from the Printist. I would like to tell you that any designer searches before making this outfit and takes inspiration for a new design and new pattern, because it is the duty of every design to bring out a new thing for these pupils which people like to wear. So I always try to say, let's new design, new pattern and new element inside my outfit. So being inspired by that, I have used this hexagon shape for my outfit. When the outfit is ready, you guys will love it. So come on guys, now we put this pattern on our outfit. And guys, I am choosing the color for this outfit. I have put all the colors of the outfit so that this outfit looks colorful and all its colors are very vibrant. Guys, if you like my work and like my way of explaining, then please subscribe my channel and like my video, because your support gives me a motivate to make a new video for you guys using a new method and new design element, only because of your motivation. And if you have any query or any doubts in your mind related to this garment, so drop your message in your comment box. I will reply to your message as soon as possible. Start to filling the shape with the help of fiber castle sketch pens. And guys, if you want to learn more new things and want to know about new pattern and design, then you can go and watch video in my playlist. I have posted lots of video there. After the end of this video you must go and watch it. And I want to say one more thing to you, that by looking at the design of others you should take inspiration from them and try to make your own design and pattern, because it will be good for your future. And if you guys have something in your mind and you guys want me to make a video on that too and explain how to use it, then you can share it with me in the comment box, and I will make you a video on it as soon as possible for you guys only. Guys, now I will use wet brush so that I can get a smooth texture in the outfit, because today I have not used watercolor, instead of that use a sketch pen. Then sketch color cannot give that smooth texture. That's why it's necessary to use a brush to give the smooth texture. And when you also use the brush, it should not be too wet, it should be less, and then apply on the shape. Now I am using the micron pen to giving the highlights on the garment. And I always told you micron pen and this fine liner and the detailing pens are very important. Now I use the black sketch pen to color the top and blazer collar. Now the video is coming to end, guys. If you want to know about new things, so please comment me on the comment box, and like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys to watching this video.